Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of the square root of x multiplied with the square root of x multiplied with the square root of x dx. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. The square root of x, this one you will get about x to the power of 1 over 2. Next, the second x, we have 2 square root of x. So we got about x to the power of 1 over 4. And the last one is about 1 over 8. Because 1 over 2 multiplied with 1 over 2 and multiply with 1 over 2. That's why you got about 1 over 2, 1 over 4 and 1 over 8. Next, we can put about x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. And now we can get the final answer. This one is about 7 over 8. The final answer is about x to the power of 7 over 8 plus 1 over 7 over 8 plus 1. This one you can get about 15 over 16. Oh sorry, this is 15 over 8. And this is about 15 over 8. That's the end. Thank you for watching.